Hey guys, this is Ray. So check this out. Soundtoys is giving away another plugin. It seems like they do this every year. So they're introducing this plugin. It's called Little Play. And starting on the 22nd of November, you're going to have to pay $100 for this plugin. As you can see, it's $99. But right now you can get this completely free. So I suggest check the description, click the link, download it. The only thing that you really need is an iLok account, and you're good to go. So make sure you check the description, grab this. I have it installed. It sounds great. But if you don't like it, hey, you didn't pay anything for it. So this is Ray. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions, post in the bottom. Give me a thumbs up. And if this is the first time watching one of the videos, subscribe. Later, guys.